Want to add the sweetest little touch to your gift? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little origami dress. The first thing you do is you take a piece of scrap paper and you make it perfectly square. I do this by making a triangle and then cutting off the rest. Now turn the paper towards the back and you're going to make 2 folds that go exactly in the middle of the paper. Now turn that around again and turn that fold towards the middle just like this. Do that to the right and then do the exact same thing again to the left. Now that you've got some really nice creases, it should look like this. Now turn the paper again on its back and now we're going to make the skirt and the bodice. The skirt should be a little bit longer and fold like this, and now we're going to make a belt so that the folds will go a little bit better. Now that your paper looks like this, fold it onto the right side, and what we're going to do is pull out that skirt, make a fold along the crease for the pleat and then along the top. It should look just like this. Now we're going to make the neckline, which is the hardest part, so just take your time. First you make your collar like this, and we're only doing that so we'll have some good fold lines. Now turn it onto the back and you're going to make 2 little triangles with each of these sides, and you'll just have to work with your paper a bit to make it good. Now where you made those folds at the front, you're going to pull those towards the back. Once you've pulled those 2 flaps back, it's going to look a lot like this. And now we're going to work on the bodice and our skirt to add more definition to our dress. Now we're going to fold the top in towards the middle, and it's going to make our bodice and a waistline. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Pull that one side in towards the middle, and we're going to redo the skirt as well so that we will have a nice tight waist and a beautiful pleat along the skirt. And it should look just like this. Then what we're going to do now is make some really cute little cap sleeves. How we do that is we pull that top piece of paper back towards the arm. We do the same thing with the other side as well, and this is what it should look like. Now turn that around and you can just add some really cute embellishments like pearls or bows if you'd like. This for sure is going to make the girls smile.